sa Blue Ribbon po. We have 11 signatures already.
Wala, hindi pa naro-route kasi kinokorek yung draft, pinafinalize. After makorek yun, based on our meeting yesterday, so yun na yun. And I hope and I'm confident na makagather siya ng at least 11.
When you say being corrected, doon at least sa recommendations, meron po bang...
Walang nabago. Walang substantive na revise. Pareho pa rin. Yun lang yung language.
Yung tatlong colleagues niyo, sir, pinakakasuhan pa rin po. Senchi, Senjoel, Senjingo.
Nandiyan pa rin.
When will it be routed kaya, sir? Anong timeline?
Kung matapos mamaya din tomorrow.
Sir, sorry, bakit yung language? Do they find it offensive?
Well, ganito, no, yung connotation, halimbawa, doon sa draft na initially routed, merong word doon na charge, no? Recommended to be charged. Sa layman, pag sinabing charge, para nasa korte na. So, in-specify na lang namin na salit na instead of using the word charge, to be charged, to undergo preliminary investigation, to undergo fact-finding investigation, to undergo case build-up, yung mga ganon.
So yung tatlong senador, hindi na to be charged, but to undergo PI. PI.
Yun din naman talaga yung ibig sabihin sa ano, hindi naman namin pwedeng i-recommend sa court, na i-charge sa court, kasi only the DOJ and the Ombudsman are authorized to file the information for any person to be charged before the court, di ba? So kinorek lang namin yun.
So to undergo preliminary
Kasi ang
investigation.
charges ay parang generic yan, pero sa ang connotation, pagdating sa layman, no, ordinary people like us, parang ang dating kagad charge, naka-charge ka sa court. So there's nothing substantial, there's nothing, we never deviated doon sa original intent ng aming committee report na mag-undergo ng PI.
Sir, to be clear ha, undergo PI on plunder and graft. Yung tatlong
Hindi,
senador.
marami. Merong direct bribery, merong plunder, merong malversation, merong violation ng anti-graft, may violation ng ethical standards, marami yun.
Same pa rin dun sa draft.
Same pa rin.
Okay.
Same pa rin.